Hi, welcome to Zion Shipping website. In this video, we will talk about how you can navigate your way through our website. But before we begin with that, let's talk about the local and online services that Zion Shipping provides to all its account holders. You can create a local shipment service request on Zion Shipping as per usual. That is, you can ship any product that you have purchased from your local store using Zion Shipping services. As for online service requests, we offer you a private shipping address with U.S. postal code. Say you live out of USA and you want to place an order from any online shopping portal, be it Amazon, eBay, or others, you will need a U.S. postal address to get the order delivered from that online vendor. Zion Shipping provides each of its account holders a unique postal address where you can get your online order delivered, and they request for its shipment to your original address using the shipping services provided by us. Now that you know how Zion Shipping can help you with both local and online services, let's run through our website options so that you would know your way around after creating the account. Starting with the shipping menu in the navigator, you will see Get a Quote and Create a Shipment, both of which will help you in creating a shipment after getting quote options. Schedule a Pickup will allow you to request for your shipment pickup. Next, in the tracking menu, you will find Track a Package, clicking on which you can enter the tracking number allotted to you and get information about the status of your package. Clicking on Change a Delivery option will require you to enter the shipment number mentioned on your receipt before you can modify your delivery. Now, using the Service Navigator menu, you can manage your shipment information with Manage Shipment. The Upgrade Account option will help you in switching your Zion shipment plan to any of our other available plans. By clicking on Our Location, you can search for the closest Zion Shipping office locations where you can bring in your package to ship instead of scheduling a pickup from your home. Just enter your zip code and we will list down all our nearby locations with directions. Next, we have order supplies that would allow you to place an order for office supplies directly from our website. Clicking on Pay a Shipment will allow you to make a payment against your shipment. You can do so in 3 ways: by using our online payment gateway, by paying in person, or just call us on 1-855-900-9466 and we will process the payment for you. Similarly, to verify a payment, you would be required to enter the shipment number for which you wish to verify your payment details. You can also apply a discount coupon to a shipment to get deductions in your total shipment amount. The billing section would display all your saved credit/debit cards in your Zion Shipping account. Now that we have walked you through the navigation bar, let's move on to the My Account options. To begin with, you have all your profile information that you can edit at any time. The Security option will let you change your account password, and the Languages option will allow you to select your preferred language among English, Spanish, and French. My Consignee will display the list of all the saved consignees in your account, and Order History will display details of all your previously placed orders. Now, under the Billing section, you have the option to change your current plan. Clicking on Subscription will allow you to update your payment information for the subscription, view details of current plan, and cancel subscription at any point. The Cards option will allow you to save your card details for future payments while also displaying all your previously saved cards, if any. The Support section includes My Claims and My Tickets options that will allow you to view the status of all your claims and tickets raised with our customer care. We hope you can now navigate through the website conveniently. For any further assistance, call us at 1-855-900-9466 or email us at info@zionshipping.com.